Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and today's video will talk about the affiliate program of StubHub. So let me take you to the website, which is stubhub.com. For the ones who don't know about them, StubHub is an online ticket marketplace where people can buy and sell tickets for live events like concerts, sports, theater, and more. It provides a secure platform with features like seat selection, price comparisons, and electronic ticket delivery. StubHub offers a fan product guarantee, ensuring buyers receive valid tickets in time for the event. So what you're waiting for? Come to their website, explore all about them, and get yourself a ticket if you like. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from StubHub. Possible? Why not? Simply join their affiliate program, start bringing sales to them through your efforts, to your traffic, to your audience, and when you bring sales to them, you will end up receiving commission. So affiliates from which country can join the affiliate program of StubHub? I didn't find any restrictions at all. So regardless of your country, as an affiliate, you should be able to apply to the affiliate program, get the approval, start promoting them. To the audience or the consumers of which country can you promote them in order to receive commission? I didn't find any restriction for that as well. So regardless of the country of the consumers, you should be able to promote StubHub to those consumers and can get commission based on the sales you bring in. Just you have to ensure you have joined the respective affiliate program of StubHub for that specific location. And you also have to ensure you're only promoting it to the consumers where StubHub provide their services. And so how do you join the affiliate program of StubHub? For that, let me take you to the website called Flex Offers. Now, what is Flex Offers and why are we talking about Flex Offers? So Flex Offers is one of the affiliate marketing network out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of any brand, you should be joining the respective affiliate marketing network. In our case, we have to join Flex Offers as an affiliate. Now, Flex Offers calls affiliates as publishers and brands as advertisers. So don't get yourself confused with these terms. So how do you create an account with Flex Offers, or rather a publisher account with Flex Offers? For that, you have to click on Get Started from the top right hand side, which will take you to this page. Over here, you have to click on Sign Up under Publisher and Affiliate, and you have to fill up the registration form. Now, I understand there are many nuances involved when you're filling up all these registration forms, so don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use Flex Offers affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself a free Flex Offers affiliate account. Once you have the account with them, simply come to their website once again, hover over login, click on publisher login, enter your credential, and then it will take you to something called affiliate dashboard or the publisher dashboard. This is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands out there. I mean the affiliate program, but the focus of this video is StubHub only. Now, how do you find the affiliate program of StubHub? For that, you have to come to the left hand side menu bar. You have to click on advertiser. You have to click on advertiser search. It will take you to this page. Over here, you can scroll down, and within advertiser program name field, you have to type in StubHub, and you will see two programs here, StubHub NORAM, so that is North America, and StubHub International. So you have to select both of them. So I selected StubHub NORAM, and then I'm going to select StubHub International. So see, I have selected two programs similar to this. You can also select these two programs, and then you can click on search. So when you do that, you would be able to see both these programs here. Through this program, StubHub North America, you would only be able to receive commission if you promote them to the consumers of Canada or USA. However, for this program, you can promote it to the consumers of any other country than Canada or USA, and you will receive the commission. And to see more details, you can click on the tile, you can scroll down, and you would be able to see the commission right here. So the payout is 6.4% on sales. That is for the North America StubHub affiliate program. And for the international one, you could get 7.2% of online sales. That's great. And if you want to see the program terms, you can click on view program terms. It will open up the details. Over here, you would be able to see commission rate again. And if you scroll down, you can click on terms and conditions, show, and it will provide you all the details, all the terms and conditions about the affiliate program. I highly recommend and suggest that you must read it before you apply to the affiliate program. Once you've read it all, let's say you want to apply to StubHub North America affiliate program, you can select your traffic source from here. Let's say I only want to apply for my YouTube account. I can select this. Similar to this, you can also select your traffic source from here and you can click on apply with selected. It will open up this overlay window. I can scroll down. I can click on yes, I agree to the terms and conditions above, and then I can click on apply to program. So this way you can also click on apply to program, and then your application to the StubHub affiliate program team would go. They will see whether you're a good fit for them or not, and based on that, they will give you the approval. For now, I have applied for StubHub North America affiliate program, and that's why I see pending status in here. Similar to this, I can also apply for StubHub International affiliate program. So let me select this and then apply for selected. And then again, yes, I agree to the terms and condition, apply to program. So you can follow my lead and apply to both the affiliate program and wait for them to give you the approval. Now, how much time would they take to review and provide an approval to you? They could take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks time. And once you have been approved, you'll be notified via an email. And after receiving confirmation via an email, you can come to the Flex Offers affiliate dashboard once again, click on advertisers, and from here, go to advertiser search. And this time in the application status, you can select approved, and then you can click on search. What this will do, it will show you the StubHub affiliate program, assuming you have been approved by them. So through this, when you select approved status in here within application and you search, you get to see all your approved affiliate program. All right, so you got the approval. Now what? Now you can start promoting them. But to promote them, you can't just use any link from the website. You have to use tracking link. So how do you create or get tracking link? For that, you can come to the left-hand side menu bar once again, and this time click on links and go to deep link generator. It will take you to this page. Over here, you can select your advertisers. Since I'm not yet approved by StubHub, so just for the demo purpose, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to select Levi's. And then in traffic source, you can also select your traffic source. So assuming you have been approved by StubHub, you can select StubHub from the advertiser search, select your traffic source and mention the URL you want to convert into a tracking link. Let's say I want to create a tracking link for the homepage. I'm going to copy the homepage link. I'm going to come here again and here enter one URL. I will mention the homepage URL and then I can click on generate. What this will do, it will create a tracking link and it will show me here within deep link section, but it didn't work out for me. The reason being I'm trying to create a tracking link for a StubHub by selecting Levi's as the advertiser. But in your case, if you have been approved, once you select the StubHub, select your traffic source, mention the URL, you will be able to see a URL in here and you will have an option to short that link up if you want. You can also copy this link directly and share it with your audience, with your traffic, and you will start earning commission if you're bringing more sales through these tracking links. Then what about not creating tracking links, but rather you want to use available assets or the resources or the links? For that, you can again click on links and this time go to link search. It will take you to this web page. Over here, you can select your traffic source once again. And from the advertiser search, you can search for the brand. So just for the demo purpose, I'm going to select Levi's once again. In your case, you can select StubHub from the advertiser search. Select the content type as text link, banner links, or widget. Let's say you are interested to get the banner links, so you can select banner links, StubHub in here, and then click on search. Over here, you will be able to see different banner links available. So this is the one that I got for Levi's, same way you will see banner links for StubHub. Now, if you want to get the tracking link or HTML link for these banners, you can click on this view link and you will have three kind of links available here. This is the normal tracking link that you can copy and share with your audience. You can also click on link and get the HTML link code, which you can integrate from the backend of your website. Then you can also click here, you can click on image and you can also take this image URL and maybe integrate it on your website if you like. You can also use this feature to shorten this link up. You can add sub IDs and associated the link to a campaign group. And if you want to learn more about these features, you might want to look at how to create and use Flex Offers affiliate account video that I have in the video description. All right, so this is how you can get different kind of links for the banners. Same way you can search for content type as text links or widget and get that kind of link and integrate it accordingly. All right, so you have learned how to create or get your tracking links. Next question arises, where can you promote StubHub? There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. one-ways website. So it doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you have been approved by Flax offers and as well as for the affiliate program of StubHub, you can promote StubHub anywhere on your website that you feel like is more suited for your audience and of course for StubHub. You might want to choose a category page or the home page, whatever you feel like is more suited. Second way is blog. Now blog could be amazing here because you could write blog posts about different events that are happening maybe in a week, in a month time, and put your tracking link within those blog posts. So this way people would read it. If they want to attend those events, they'll click on those links, they will buy the ticket, you will get the commission. Third way is social media. Now, social media could be amazing because you could create different content on social media. It could be reels, videos, posts, and you may want to talk about different events and put your tracking link somewhere in the comments. So this way, when people would read, they will click on those tracking links, they will buy the tickets, you'll get the commission. Fourth way is travel and tourism website. Now, I feel like these kind of websites are more suited for StubHub. The reason being because people come to this kind of website if they're on vacation or they're planning their vacation. So having a section maybe on these kind of website that just talks about events. So when someone would come to your website, which is a travel and tourism website, they click on the event section and they get to see different events available out there. And maybe you integrate StubHub tracking links with those events. So this way, when people would come to your website, they'll click on events, they'll click on those events links, and when they buy the ticket, as usual, you'll get the commission. So this is how you can promote StubHub. There are many ways as well. That is totally up to you. Let's say you started promoting StubHub and you started bringing sales to them. Where would you see your performance? For that, you have to come to the Flex Offers affiliate dashboard once again. And this time, go to the menu bar and click on reports. And from reports, go to performance. It will take you to the performance report webpage. Over here, you can select the traffic source, date range, trend, and simply just generate the report. And you will be able to see your performance in here. And from the menu bar, if you click on transaction details over here, you would be able to see the transactions that have had happened. Then you can also click on account balance to see the available account balance. You should also be aware of net 60 days basis. Now, what exactly Flex offers are trying to tell here? That means all the sales that have happened in this month, you can give them around 60 days of time to the brand to review and pay to Flex offers so that the Flex offers can issue that commission to you. By the way, this is the usual waiting time in all the affiliate marketing network. It's not just specific to Flex offers, but it's a general time frame in affiliate marketing. So all the accumulated balance you would be able to see down here within track, pending, and approved. So whatever amount you will see in approved, that is what you can expect to receive from Flex offers. And to receive this payment, you must update your payment details. And how do you update your payment details? You have to look on the top right hand side. You have to click on the account number, and from there you have to click on payment settings, which will take you to the section. It will ask you to authenticate via two-factor authentication that you must have set up during registration. After entering your code through the authenticator, you can click on verify. Then it will take you to this section. Over here, you can update your address in the first tab, and then you can click on next. It will then take you to the payment method section, and here you will have different payment methods option. You can go with local bank transfer, give your banking details, go with wire transfer, update your banking details, go with check, give your check details, or PayPal, and you can also give your PayPal email address, or if you like, you can hold your payment as well. After selecting the payment method from here and giving the respective details, you can click on next. It will take you to the text form page. And after selecting your text form, you can follow other prompts and complete your payment settings. So this is how you can update your payment details and expect to receive commission from Flex offers. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of StubHub. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start promoting them, and you start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of StubHub. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.